Good morning, class 4. This is me, Nitish, your English teacher from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. And today we are going to discuss the third lecture video of chapter number 7 and page number 77 and 78 of the Crow and the Peacock. We have already discussed about this chapter in our earlier lecture video. So now let's talk about the left and the rest part of the story. The name of the chapter is The Crow and the Peacock. This is the story of Crow and Peacock. They both were invited in a tiger's wedding. See the chapter. How beautiful I look, he exclaimed. When Crow painted the feathers of Peacock, Peacock exclaimed, My tail looks like it is covered with a precious gems. Precious means very costly. The peacock felt so proud that he started dancing in joy. It's very common when you feel very happy, you almost try to enjoy with your own self by recreating, by shouting loud and loud. Peacock, my friend, said the crow, now it is time for you to paint my feather. Now, Crow is saying that, my friend Peacock, it's time for you to paint my feathers. But the peacock didn't listen. He was feeling very proud. He was proud of his colorful feathers. Whenever you feel very exotic and very happy because of your look, though, then you don't care about the others. Same condition was going with Peacock. He didn't want anyone else to be as beautiful, and he is almost jealous type of bird. He thought of a plan. Oh, Crow, said the peacock, we are in danger. Didn't you hear the eagles cry? Peacock wants to make fear in the mind of Crow by telling a lie that eagles crying and eagles is coming to attack on us, so it's better to escape from here. The peacock pretended to be in hurry. He started running up and down. In his hurry, he knocked all over the cans of paint. Only one can was left. All the colorful paints, the rainbow colors paints, had fell down, and only one can of paint was still remain, and the color is black. I didn't hear any cry, said the crow. Then there is no danger, said the peacock. Come here and I will paint you. See the pretend. How Peacock pretended the crow, and ultimately Peacock painted the crow in black color, which looks very ugly. And from that day, Peacock is very colorful, as like his feather is filled with rainbow colors. But as far as crow is concerned, it looks very ugly because of its one color black. That is not very interesting. It is very dull and dark. When the peacock had finished, the crow went to look at himself in the pool. That means in the pond of water. As soon as he saw how black he looked, he began to cry. It is very common when you see that when you get idea about that if you are not looking good, so suddenly you will become very depressed and whatever. He was chalked up. Chalked up means up anyone who cannot speak anything else because of his sentiment, because of his sudden attack of emotion. He could hardly say a word. He could only scream cow and cow at the proud peacock, because peacock was very happy after getting this beautiful color of his feather. Ever since crow have been black, their cries have been harsh. Peacock have been beautiful. Their feathers have been in rainbow color. Now, whenever you see peacock, you feel very happy because of his color. And from that day onward, from that day and since that time, crow's cry is very harsh and it looks black in color. So here have some statement have given and you have to find out the correct option, either it is right or wrong. The peacock was getting married. No. So who was getting married? Tiger. So this one, first one is wrong. So in this way you have to solve all this. So please take care and bye bye. Have a nice day.